Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and you're doing great. I'm sure you all are taking care of yourselves. Today, we are going to learn something new and interesting. We are going to learn the sound of K. C-K. K. When we join these two letters, it gives us the sound of K. Let's watch some words. What is this? It's a duck. I'm sure you have seen ducks in lakes, isn't it? Aren't they cute? Yes, they are. Let's spell it together. D, U, C and K. Duck. It ends with CK and it tells us that it has the sound of K. Now what is this? It's a lock. Let's spell it together. L, O, C, K. Lock. Lock. It's ending with K. The sound of K. C, K. Let's watch some other words. What is this? I'm sure you all wear this thing in winters. It keeps you warm. It's a sock. What are the spellings of a sock? S, O, C, K. Sock. It's ending with K. Alright. Today we learned some new words which were ending with K or CK. And CK gives us the sound of K. I'm sure you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is The Country School Pakistan. Keep learning and stay safe. Take very good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.